Today we're going to bring a Steam Deck case. This is perfect for those that are going to be traveling or moving around with your Steam Deck. And your Steam Deck is a little, expensive, so you don't want to make sure it breaks. And this is a perfect thing. Now, before I open it up, I just noticed that there's a little cut in here. And this is actually if you want to transfer your headphones through there. You want to keep it inside, and with your headsets out, you can do that. Or if you could power it up too, also just by keeping it in here. So let's take a look at it. What you get. First of all, they give you a little zipper in the back here with a little mesh, and this is to actually clean the screen or any other items with dust. This is perfect for that. Now, in the center, it's all Velcro in here, and this is where you're actually going to set up your Steam Deck protected cover, if you guys can see that. Now, these are the straps that actually go on the outside of the Steam Deck, right? The actual case. On the actual strips here, if you guys can see, this is where you're going to put all your micro SD cards. So, if you have a Steam Deck that doesn't have the space and you have multiple games and you have them on the SD cards, you could actually just mount them up here. Very simple. So let's go ahead and bring a Steam Deck and set it up. Alright, so all you got to do is open the back. Alright, we're going to put our actual power cord in here so we won't lose it. Close this out, make sure, or you can put any other accessories in here that you require. Close this up, you bring your Steam Deck in here. Make sure it's closed completely. Now, once you set that up, all you got to do is pretty much set this up and fold it in here in half, and then you bring this strap in here, and that's it. Now, we're going to put this back in here where it belongs so we can save our accessories. Headphones and so forth could go in here. So, zip it up. Zip it up. Get the straps one end. And it's very secure. It won't go anywhere. It won't move anywhere. So, we got one end, you got the other end, and you're all set to go. Very simple, or walk with it either way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.